What's going on, man? You go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Our first story takes us to Lufkin, Texas, where a parolee with a violent past stole a car and led police on a wild chase through a quiet neighborhood. This is the case of Clinton Polk.
Get on the ground! 31, you're gonna get tased! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! "31, he's running. Taser deployed. He's not on the ground. He's still running from me. Stop right there! Stop! You're gonna get tased! Stop! 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 Get back over here now! Get back over here now! You're gonna get tased! 31, we're behind the house, right in front of a 526 kiln. Get over here. Get over here now. Get over here now.
Despite the officer's clear and repeated warnings, the suspect made a bold choice. He ran. Again.
Get over here now. I'm not going to tell you again. 31, taser deployed again. You're going to get it again. Get on the ground. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach now. Roll over. You're going to get it again. I'm not playing with you. Get on your stomach now. Get on your stomach. Put your hands behind your back.
Trapped and overwhelmed, the suspect, despite repeated taser deployments, saw no way out. With hesitation in his eyes, he made the only choice left. He surrendered. Wait until you see what happened in the next case. While Clinton Polk now faces a return to prison, his case is just one example of how quickly things can escalate. But this one... In the shadows of Central Florida, a terrifying crime spree led to a manhunt for Benjamin Hoven, a man accused of a violent home invasion, rape, and kidnapping, and a relentless pursuit that brought him to justice.
743 Tassel, semi 94. 36, you're right over there. Come over here now. I'm in front of the gas quick right now. I got a white male on the ground. Handcuff him right now. Get down! Get down! Arms behind your back now!
The police officers identified the suspect. This case is a haunting reminder of the darkness that lurks and the unwavering drive of law enforcement to bring violent criminals to justice.
All right. That's fine. Thank you. All right.
May 11th, Jacksonville, Florida, a suspected shoplifter, a foot chase, and a taser deployment that ended with Daniel Forrest unconscious and critically injured on the pavement.
You get that paper?
Here. HQ Juliet 144.
Juliet 144.
Juliet 144. Do you have a signal 9 in progress at the Family Dollar 929 McDuff? Log me on a signal 9. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here right now. Brother, I'm gonna fucking tase you, man. I'm gonna fucking tase you. HQ Juliet 144. One tased at the corner of Willow Branch and College. Turn over. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. I don't need 1033. He's in custody and handcuffs. Just send rescue 1067. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. ATP Juliet 144. Send me another unit, please.
In this case, chaos erupted outside the Columbus Zoo when a man ignored police orders, fled the scene, not once, but twice, and triggered a foot chase that ended with a taser and felony charges.
Okay, and you think that trying to kill somebody is the way to do that? Give me your driver's license. Give me your driver's license. I'm asking for your driver's license. He's hey! I asked. He said he's going to the zoo.
Stay home. Oh my God. Hey.
Hey man, get out of here. Go ahead, go up. Here, hold, stop this guy. Stop. Go ahead, go ahead.
Hey, hey! What are you doing?
125. We just had somebody about hit us multiple times out here. Start me another car.
Get on the ground!
Okay.
Turn around!
It's about you.
Get on your stomach now!
Okay,
Get on your stomach!
I'm moving, I swear.
Do not move! Get on the ground! Do not move! What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. You almost hit a trooper.
I'm sorry.
125, we have him in custody. I have a taser used. Start me a supervisor.
It's just about my wife and kids, who are me.
And
I
get me a
am her.
medic.
And it's just about her. And I love you guys, and I know you don't mean to hurt me. Okay? So I just need...
Custody.
I just need for you guys to help me up.
Well, you're under arrest.
You
You're going to jail. Do you have anything on you?
No, nothing at all. Just in this.
Why did you not listen to us?
Because it wasn't about me, it was about my wife and kids.
And guess what? Now it's about you.
Okay.
Where's your ID at, man?
I don't have anything on
Did you
me.
already search it?
Listen,
No.
just stand me up. I will not hurt you.
Well, you're not moving right now. We've got a medic coming. You're going to jail.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You are.
No, it's Nirvana, and I'm not gonna hurt you. I swear. I just stuttered right there on
What's
accident.
going on with
From a traffic stop to a full-blown pursuit, this case shows how fast a situation can spiral, and how ignoring the law can come at a high price. The next case is a whole another level.
At the 911, what's the address to your emergency?
I'm at the Chick-fil-A 33rd and Broadway. This is about a gentleman who has been exposing himself to minors. He's been identified by a couple of our guests here.
Is he still there now?
Correct. He is still here. He is eating currently. It looks like he's wearing what he was wearing in the picture that was posted on y'all's Instagram.
Frank, 696 to 533. He's going to be in the men's restroom. Hey, we're going to go over here and talk outside real quick, all right? We're just going to go ahead and talk. We're just going to go ahead and talk out. We're just going to talk outside for a second so we can get away from people. Cool. Hey, you have an ID with you? Stop! Stop eating a day! Turn over! Turn over your stomach and get it again! Roll over! On your stomach! Put your belly back! Behind your back!
37.
What began as a routine traffic stop on Peachtree Road quickly escalated. The smell of marijuana caught the police officer's attention. Watch how the suspect reacts.
On a white Ford Transit van, Sam David Henry, 0651.
What's going on, boss? Officer Musford, Atlanta Police Department. Reason for the stop, you can't be on that cell phone when you're driving. You can roll that window down for me?
Absolutely. I was on my GPS. I'm just trying to...
You got your license?
I have a picture of it.
You alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright. When's the last time you smoked, boss?
It's about yesterday in my... I smoked yesterday, but I ain't been smoking.
Yeah, man, you alright?
No.
No. Now, look, listen. In Atlanta, it's just a ticket. Now, if you lying to me, then we're gonna have to go home.
I got this one.
All right, boss. Look, honestly, go a long way.
Right.
All right.
That's what I'm saying. I smoked earlier.
I mean, this is a little, you know what I'm saying? A little 2 grams, man. This ain't nothing. All right, we're gonna get you out the car. We're gonna search the rest of the car. All right. All right, boss. Step out for me. Step out for me. Just turn around for me. Right here, bro. Boss, stop moving. Stop moving. Boss, stop moving. That's my last time telling you, stop. Stop. Stop.
We're gonna tease you, boss.
Stop. Stop.
You got nowhere to go now. Oh, stop.
Stop. We're gonna tase you.
Stop. Get on the ground. You got nowhere to go.
Get on the fucking ground.
Get on the ground. He's reaching.
I'm not reaching.
Stop. Again, roll over. Roll the fuck over. Stop. You're gonna get tased again.
Stop. Stop. I'm about to fucking tase you again.
All right, give me the other arm. Give me the arm. Radio, we got one in custody. Boss man, look. You alright? Is it sober now? You alright?
No, man.
Alright, what's wrong?
The police officers then searched his van. You won't believe what they found.
Yeah, we good.
Oh, yo! It's pounds!
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Dude.
What'd I tell you, buddy?
Yeah.
1878 Hal North Silver Jean Charlie Victor Yankee 2373. 1678 1678 Hal North.
Oh shit. It's meth. Meth. Bro, you see, bro, it's weed. Yeah.
If you can give the rest of them like that.
But just when you thought things couldn't get more chaotic, our final case takes us inside a middle school, where a normal school day turned into a full-blown emergency. This isn't just another arrest. This is something far more dangerous.
Stop, put your hands on your back. Put your hands on your
my
back.
back.
Get against the wall.
Against the wall. I can't breathe.
Stop. Stop.
I need my understand.
Stop. No, stop.
Shoot me. Kill me.
Stop. Stop.
Shoot me. I've been shot before. I've been shot before.
Stop. Stop.
You stop. I want you to live.
Get down. Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Call for help. You need to.
I slept walk and I was shot.
Stop. Put your hands behind your back. 47 family.
From high-speed chases to school lockdowns, one thing is clear. The line between order and chaos can snap in an instant. These were just a few moments caught on camera. But behind every badge, every siren, and every takedown, there's always more to the story. This is just the beginning. Subscribe, stay alert, and get ready for what's coming next.